Hello everyone and welcome to Jeunesse Longevity TV. Welcome to this new series dedicated to the LUMINESCE line of product, the LUMINESCE series. Advanced Night Repair, the new night cream designed by Dr. Nathan Newman. Day cream, night cream, why two creams? What this? Why this is invented strictly for commercial purposes? Not at all. Have you heard about chronobiology? This science examines life's rhythms. Why is there day and night? Why are there days, months, years? Why does the moon affect our life? And many other questions. As far as our health goes, all our functions are regulated in the same way. During the day, we expend energy, we are exposed to environmental aggression. During the night, we recover the energy we expended, we repair, regenerate ourselves, and our hormones are responsible for transmitting this message. At the skin's level, exactly the same thing happens. During the day, our skin is exposed to temperature changes, to pollutants, to dehydration, and UV rays. The day cream will therefore protect and hydrate it. It will also reduce skin irritation. The day cream should penetrate the skin and not be oily in order not to make the skin look sticky. The night cream will help your skin regenerate while you sleep. To achieve this, it will nourish and hydrate it deeply. Contrary to the day cream, it has a thicker and a richer texture, as our skin is more receptive to care during the night. The night cream does not contain any protective agents such as anti-UV factors. The Advanced Night Repair cream was formulated by Dr. Newman and accomplishes 4 synergistic action. Soluble factor, the APT200 complex, an antioxidant complex, an anti-glycation complex, and finally a hydrating complex. 1. The APT200 complex is a selection of more than 200 messenger proteins called soluble factors, which send signal to our cells so that they may resynthesize collagen and elastin during the night. The antioxidant complex is made of a group of 6 ingredients which protect DNA very effectively. Niacinamide improves cell oxygenation, the absorption of the other ingredient, and detoxification. Superoxide dismutase is the strongest antioxidant you can find. green tea leaf extract, which also has an anti-inflammatory effect, ergothi oneina, an antioxidant which is extracted from mushroom, watermelon extract, which is rich in vitamin C, amino acid and lycopene. It will hydrate, clean and exfoliate. Squalane, a lush oil like retinol, which combats free radical caused by UV rays. The anti-glycation complex, this unique complex, an exclusive Jeunesse compound, will counter the negative effects of glycation, that is the excess of sugar which bring about the immobilization of protein such as elastin and collagen and leads to wrinkling. Carnosine is one of the only ingredients capable of breaking the bond which immobilizes the protein. The flower of osmanthus, also known as a fragrant olive, not only has a flowery beneficial aroma, but it is also capable of preventing glycation. And finally, the hydrating complex. Beside the green tea leaf, watermelon and squalane extract, all of which are both antioxidant and hydrating, it contains a yeast extract which softens the skin and improves tonicity, a lentil extract which hydrates the skin and tightens pores, an apple extract which hydrates and regenerates the skin. What makes this night cream unique? It brings together three synergistic actions. 1. It is a repairing cream which clears and hydrates the skin. 2. It is a reconditioning cream which helps the skin to renew its cells, make it firmer, soothes it, and repairs it. 3rd, it is an anti-wrinkle cream which smooths your features by filling it wrinkles. Advanced Night Repair, a night cream which hydrates, restructures, firm up and nourish the skin to give your face a smoother and more radiant look. See you in the next episode of the Luminous series. Goodbye.